Hello my friends, just a quick message to let you know that the All Tutorials Club 2020 is now open for registration. As you know, every week I make a new knitting tutorial and I send it to everyone who's subscribed to my weekly newsletter. But I also make a PDF version of that tutorial and upload it to the club dashboard. If that tutorial is accompanied by a video tutorial, then I upload that video tutorial as well, so that you could watch all video tutorials published in a certain year from one convenient place, ads free, and you can also download all the tutorials in PDF version from that same club dashboard. This year I'm adding a new bonus. I'm adding an annual 25% discount on all of my patterns, courses, books, collections of tutorials, everything that's already published and that's going to be published in the year of 2020. So this way you're not getting all of the knitting tutorials in PDF and ads-free videos that are published in the year of 2020, but you're also saving on everything else that is not included in the club dashboard. The first tutorials will be uploaded on January the 3rd of 2020, and every week you will see more and more tutorials and video tutorials appearing in your club dashboard. To sign up for this club, please go to tenroseaday.com/club. The link is over there. And once you sign up, you get a lifetime access to all of the tutorials published in 2020. So you can download them whenever you feel that you need that technique, and you can watch and re-watch video tutorials again whenever you need to learn a new technique or you need a refresher. If you're a member of the Club 2019, your membership won't be renewed automatically. I don't save your payment information and I never charge you without your consent. So please take a moment, go to tenroseaday.com/club and join the Club of 2020. I'll see you there.